Hello and welcome to this lesson titled Plants in Afrikaans. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name a few plants. Feel free to revise both the fruits and vegetable lessons, since it will help you answer questions in today's lesson. You can find the links to those lessons in the description. Algemene plante, general plants. Algemene plante, general plants. Saad, 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 seed. Boom, boom, boom. Tree. Struik, struik, struik. Shrub. Blom, blom, blom. Flower. Onkruid, onkruid, onkruid. Weed. And this is not the weed people smoke. This is the weed you find in your garden with the thorns that you have to pull out. Bamboos, bamboos, bamboos. Bamboo. Vet plant, vet plant, vet plant. Succulent. Rank plant, rank plant, rank plant. Wyn. Specifieke plante, specific plants. Specifieke plante, specific plants. Roos, 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 rose. Cactus, 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 cactus. Angelier, angelier, angelier. Carnation. Waterlelie, 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 waterlily. Madeliefie, madeliefie, madeliefie. Daisy. Sonneblom, sonneblom, sonneblom. Sunflower. Dele van 'n plant, parts of a plant. Dele van 'n plant, parts of a plant. Wortels, wortels, wortels. Roots. And from the vegetable lesson, can you remember what wortels also refer to? Stam, 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 stem. Blaar, blaar, blaar. Leaf. Tak, tak, tak. Branch. Stuifmeel, stuifmeel, stuifmeel. Pollen. And now let's have a look at our activiteit. Benoem die volgende plante. Name the following plants. Benoem die volgende plante. Name the following plants. What is this plant called in Afrikaans? And this one? Next. And how about this one? Let's have a look at your answers. Antwoorde. The first one is roos, roos, rose. Second we have blaar, blaar, leaf. Third, saad, 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 seed. Fourth, sonneblom, 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 sunflower. And last we have boom, boom, tree. So for number 3, let's go back. For number 3, can you remember what this vegetable is called? Yes, it is called a soetrussie, soetrussie, bell pepper. And can you remember what the fruit of number 5 is called? That's correct, suurlemoen, suurlemoen. So here you're going to go a bit further and you can say it's a suurlemoenboom, suurlemoenboom, a lemon tree. Suurlemoenboom, lemon tree. Sinne, sentences. Can you use some of the words in this lesson to make some Afrikaans sentences? See if you can do that, and then afterwards I'll give you some example sentences of things you could have said. Okay, let's have a look at some example sentences. So, for roos, rose, you could have made a sentence like this. Hier is 'n roos vir jou. Hier is 'n roos vir jou. So if you have someone you're interested in romantically and you've bought them a rose, you can say, hier is 'n roos vir jou. Hier is 'n roos vir jou. We'll have a look at the translations in the next slide. Ek het 'n boom geplant vir jou. Ek het 'n boom geplant vir jou. Kom ons hou piknik op die gras. Kom ons hou piknik op die gras. Plant hierdie saadjies asseblief. Plant hierdie saadjies asseblief. Trek die onkruid uit asseblief. Trek die onkruid uit asseblief. And here's the English. First one, here is a rose for you. Hier is 'n roos vir jou. I planted a tree for you. Ek het 'n boom geplant vir jou. Let's have a picnic on the grass. Let's have a picnic on the grass. Kom ons hou piknik op die gras. Plant these seeds, please. Plant hierdie saadjies asseblief. Pull out the weeds, please. Trek die onkruid uit asseblief. Okay, now let's go back and do it the other way around. Hier is 'n roos vir jou. Here is a rose for you. Ek het 'n boom geplant vir jou. I planted a tree for you. Kom ons hou piknik op die gras. Let's have a picnic on the grass. Plant hierdie saadjies asseblief. Plant these seeds, please. Trek die onkruid uit asseblief. Pull out the weeds, please. And that is it for this lesson. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Dankie dat julle gekyk het en ek hoop om julle in die volgende les te sien.